Teachers will teach lessons through the website teachilit.com or by downloading the native app for iPads and Chromebooks. Then you log into the Project iLit website on the computer in your classroom that is regularly connected to your projector or smartboard. This allows teachers to easily push information to the projector, such as surveys or parts of whole group instruction, so that the whole class can view. And this is best implemented using a handheld device so that teachers can walk around the classroom during instruction to reinforce classroom management strategies and to assist students as needed. If you are not able to use a handheld device, you can still log into teachilit.com using the computer that is hooked up to your projector or smartboard and make use of that expand button during the lesson. You can use the freeze button on your projector remote to freeze the image on your projector or smartboard. That way you can continue to move through the lesson on your computer. The first week of iLit instruction in Unit 1 of iLit 90 and iLit 45 teaches your students how to use the program. You'll walk through vocabulary instruction, teach students about the different assignments such as the interactive reader, show them the student library, and administer the grade assessment. Then you'll move on to Unit 2 for the regular iLit curriculum. If you are using iLit ELL, you will see the newcomer module starting in Week 2 of Unit 1. Have your students complete the newcomer screener to determine if they should be in the newcomer lessons, and then refer to the lesson overview of Unit 1, Lesson 6 for suggestions on placing your students in the newcomers module. If you are using iLit ELL but will not need to teach newcomer instruction, you may begin teaching in Unit 2. Or if you have students who are not quite ready to begin Unit 2, you can begin your instruction at Unit 1, Lesson 51 with our new lessons that help transition your students from the newcomer instruction in Unit 1 to the regular iLit content in Unit 2. If you find you're stuck on a screen during Read Aloud, Think Aloud, continue reading through the pages until you get to a stopping point on the screen. These are built-in stops to help you review the lessons where you can provide think alouds to your whole class, focusing on specific strategies. When you're ready to go back to the book, click the button labeled Back to Text. Some other tips and tricks for that Read Aloud, Think Aloud section. Once you go back to the text and press play for the audio to be read aloud, the audio does begin at the top of the page. We suggest reading aloud the part of the passage after the stop button and then begin using the audio feature again once you move on to the next screen. You may also notice that a student's book will automatically open to the last page where they left off. Students may have to get back to the same page as you when you begin the Read Aloud, Think Aloud section. To save on time and finding the right place, have the students bookmark the page where the lesson finishes that day. Then they can go into their notes and open up where you left off during the previous lesson. For more tips and tricks to use during your iLit implementation, please view our attached document of frequently asked questions, where you can find more information about solving different technology issues, managing a digital classroom, planning for the first day, and much more. Thanks for watching.